right? So it's not like any program coding course. So SEO is basically a search engine optimization. It is formed with two different words, search engine and the optimization, right? So what is about search engine and what is about optimization? How both the terms are going to relate in this course? The search engine is like we have many search engines like Google, right? Google is our search engine. Let me search anything, right? We are going to search like different places to visit in India, right? So after this query, different places to visit in India, right? So Google is going to provide so many results. The famous, or we can say the most clickable results are going to show by the this search engine. After this, that Google is going to provide some different websites like this plan planetwear.com, Holidify. So many results we are able to receive about the tourism. In same way, if we want to do search like sports shopping online, again we are going to receive so many results, right? So this one is basically ad. Here you can see ad advertisement which is going to placed by Google. Again we have some ads. After that we are going to receive some sports websites, Decathlon, Sports India, right? This one, Khelmart, Sports Jam, Flipkart. Then these are the websites are going to displayed by the search engine. So different search engines are we have. It's a totally online course, right? Search engines. These are the list of different search engines. Like we can say Google, one of the toppest. Then after that Bing, Yahoo. Then these are so on, right? So when we are going to search any data, that becomes the keyword. That becomes the keyword for the search engines, right? So search engine is going to give data according to the results. Let's post top 50 search engines, top 10. We are going to receive the list of top. Here you can see any websites related to these, right? Here we have the list of different search engines which is going to provide some data. It may be for video search engine, it may be for normal website search engine, anything. Now search engine is based on particular algorithms, right? How data is going to receive in your, let me show you. Here you can see how many results we have found. 22 crore around, right? So these are the results we found in about half second, right? So so you can see here, so how algorithm is going to work so efficiently, so fast. So we are able to receive so many results, right? So algorithm is going to, like, here we have 22 crores, right? So so data is in a very large amount, right? So here the technology is like big data, Hadoop, different frameworks, different algorithms, different data storage are going to show you the all these kind of results. So out of these results, how we are going to optimize, out of these so many results, how we can optimize while we are going to search anything. Can you see one thing? I'm not able to move to the next page, even I am not able to scroll it to bottom, right? So first we are going to understand the meaning of all these terms. So even I just scroll, my results are going to received in top 2 or 3 websites, or let's suppose these are the top 10 websites, right? So top 1 websites we can see here. This is the first one, and the second one, third, then fourth, and so on. These are the numbers. Then fifth, sixth, and so on. So top 10 results are going to display in our this web page, right? Even I am not even moving to the next page. So how we can optimize? We have certain parameters, certain logics, right? We need to follow all these things step by step to make our websites in first page, right? So everything, let me write here, SEO course, SEO course online. Here we have, here you can see some ads placed by the different websites, right? So if you are going to enroll in any course, so they are going to charge so much amount. That's why they are going to display their ads. Their budget is so high, so that's why it's on a top first position. If I'm going to click here, it's also part of SEO. It is going to place to the that link where you are able to register yourself, right? So here we are all are going to see the web page. The companies are going to show you, right, the content. So everything is matter to optimize our website. Last before, like, in last decade we can say this technology is going to, and like just coming, like how we are going to do website optimization. Starting of digital marketing, or we can say search engine optimization. If anyone has any doubt, any query right now, you can ask. So the first thing we have, if we are going to use this thing, this is my keyword. This is my single keyword, right? After that, what we have here, we have so many list of websites, right? So with the help of keywords, we want our website is going to optimize, and it when any person is going to search from any place, our website is going to show you in our top 10 results, or at least in first page in initial days, within a month, within a 2 or 3 months, right? So we have a curriculum of around 30 hours, right? So in that curriculum, what we are going to do, first we are going to design a website. So you all are able to learn how you can design a complete website, right? So complete website we can do in two different phases, right? Let me show you a few things. So you all are able to understand. So we are able to start our course, right? So this is our course module which we are going to perform. But initially, if we want to perform all these things practically, we must have a website, right? We must need a web page or website. With the help of that, we are able to optimize, right? How many students are interested to make a website? We have two options right now. The one option is a basic HTML option we can choose. Second one is we can choose WordPress. With the help of WordPress, we are able to create our website. Yes, students, tell me how many students are interested to learn about website making. Just raise your hands. I want everyone's response, right? Otherwise, because this time we are going to, it's not a basic quiz, some other things are going to add, right? With the help of that, we only can understand. Now, second thing, okay, fine. Lower your hands. Have you download your Python certificates? And can you see that I designed one web page with the help of that coding? You are easily able to download your Python certificates. Almost all the students are able to download. Just few queries I received, around 10 15, maximum 15 queries I received. Like students are not able to download because of their they have not given the exam, some certification issue, some like printing mistake, right? Name is not correct, right? So that is a live website, a live code I have done for you, so you are able to download easily. Now the question is that this course is compulsory. What information I received that this course is compulsory for everyone, right? So you all are able to learn different technologies throughout your course curriculum, right? So the thing is that so many students have different plans. Some wants to join MNC companies, some wants to join some other companies or some other government job, some wants to do right after the graduation or after the post graduation, right? So how we can complete, how we can complete our knowledge after the, so when you are able to complete this course, I definitely assured you that you can do your own digital marketing business, right? With just with the minimal amount you have to pay, right? With the help of that, you can do your business in digital marketing. Is it valuable or not? If I am assuring you in a very first day, I can understand you have to give some time. Just to give 2 years, sorry, 2 hours and little bit more in a whole week. A 1 hour is sufficient if you want to learn. In these 2 hours, if you are able to do all the activities practically side by side, when I am going to show you, right, you can easily do your freelancing business in this SEO. If you are able to do your business, then you can easily earn a good job near to your area, because you have a certified digital marketing course done, you have completed successfully, right? So first we are going to make a website, right? After that we are going to do this thing, right? So little bit more information now I'm going to provide about your website. Now let me show you a notepad. I don't have PPTs, I don't have any videos to show you, right? I just have a content which I have learned throughout my career. I am going to show you, right? So the first is we are going to do website designing. Then after that we are going to perform SEO, search engine. So in website designing, first we are going to do, first thing we have domain. Second is hosting. Yes, anyone tell me what is domain and hosting? Yes, anyone, just unmute yourself and respond to me. No. Okay. So what is domain? Domain is basically a unique address for search engine. In a simple way, it's a address of destination, right? Address of website. Address of website, or we can say name of the website. It's better we can write name of the website. So in this page, if you can see here, I don't think so you are able to receive the whole screen. The first we have a website. Now screen is visible. Second we are going to do search engine optimization, means SEO. Now in website, first thing we have domain, and second one we can say hosting. Without these two things, we are not able to run our website. Right. So what is domain? So domain is basically name of the website. Right. So here we can see this is our value-added course page, one landing page, right? Search engine optimization course. So this is the URL of our website. So what's the name? All are going to join after the 10 minutes, right? Same link you have to use. After next session, we are going to start website designing. Just learn the basic things. So this is the URL, domain. I'm going to perform on a live server. So all are going to join next session. It's a very easy and fast way to do. So domain is basically the name of the website or domain. This name is going to have one IP address. If you are going to check what's the IP address of this URL, right? We have so many websites. With the help of that, we can do IP address of URL. That's why I use the term address of URL. Second thing what we have here, hosting, where our website is going to placed, website is going to run. So hosting is just, we can say it's a house where our website is going to store. Here our website is going to stay, right? We are going to upload our website on a server, right? So hosting is that. So that we can say web hosting, website hosting. So store the website. So you can see how all these things work. First, IP address is unique. We are everyone having a unique or different name. With that name, softwares are going to generate IP addresses. IP addresses are going to work with the web hosting, right? So anyone, if website, after uploading our website, right? What we can do, we can, when anyone going to search that website, we are able to show some results. We are able to show some pages. All are the part of this website. Clear? So website, for this we need two things, domain and hosting. Domain is unique name. So how we can find domain? GoDaddy. We can find the name from the GoDaddy or Bluehost. These are the very best, like we can say, hosting services they are going to provide. Bluehost, right? So here you can see different plans for hosting, right? Domains, different domains. First I'm going to talk about domain. Let me start here. If you want to do anything, all are going to suggest our ideas in which we are going to, you all have 5 minutes. In next session you all are going to tell me like which website you want to design, right? So according to that, we are going to make a web page, right? I'm going to tell you the procedure to design a website. After that, side by side you can make, if you want to make side by side, or after this session you can design a website. We have a whole week. If you have any doubt, we can start, we can discuss, we can take one another extra session, so if to for your queries, everything we can do but just I need only one thing, your time, right? If you are going to provide a dedicatedly, you can learn very easily. So domain is basically here. If I want to search any URL, let me tell like a web when shopping website. So can anyone suggest any name for shopping website? A unique name. Shop online. So this domain is not available, right? So shop online is not available, but is not available. Here you can see, but we have different more results. Shop online dot date. These are more, right? And but the major what thing matters, dot in, dot com, dot co, dot in, like let's suppose shop online dot ca, it's for Canada. Again, it's not available. So a person who is dealing with this website, he or she downloaded, he booked all the different domains. Here you can see shoponline.com. Let me check. We have any website here? Anyone just purchased? So you can provide some offer registered on 25th April. So till now, this domain is already booked and nobody is going to use. So after that, we can check co.in, co.in, or so these are the different domains. Co.in, right? So all are booked already. So this is the domain. We can use a unique name, right? With the help of that, we can search another domain. Yes, I need your ideas, different ideas we can choose, right? So we are able to do, because if you want to make any website, if you want to design a website for travel, so we can make a website like this. The travel name we can use, travel word we can use, right? It will help for your better optimization, search engine optimization. If your word is present inside your this URL, let me show you a one URL which I have bought, infotech coders, right? Here you can see is like I have just a plan, but I have not executed, right? So I have that plan, but I have not executed about infotech. Like here we can do so many tasks. I have different ideas like a hardware, a networking system where user can easily buy or sell different networking parts, right? Here I have idea like company ideas for technical terms, like a development company we can say, right? So I have used a name information, like it takes so much time for me, like Infosys, info tech coders, for coding related website. If I already have one more plan, like I am going to show you different YouTube videos, right? So I have also used this keyword. I can use this domain, everything present, everything I can show here. So in that way we can find, but I have not implemented yet, right? So 1 minute left. If anyone have any query, any doubt, just let me know. After that, one more session we are going to join, right, in next minute, right? Instantly you all are going to join, right? If you need 5 minutes break, then it's fine. So 11:20 I will start a session. You can take 5 minutes break. In meantime you can decide your URL. So all are going to attentively join and respond, right? If you are going to respond,